Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the easy process of logging into your Rakuten affiliate dashboard. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to access your account and manage your affiliate links effectively. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth login experience. Step 2. Go to the Rakuten Affiliate Network website. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Rakuten Affiliate Network website, www.rakutenaffiliatenetwork.com. Press Enter to navigate to the site. Step 3. Click on Login. Once the Rakuten Affiliate Network homepage loads, look for the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Input your registered email address and password in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid login issues. Step 5. Click Login. After entering your email and password, click the Login button below the fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Rakuten affiliate dashboard. Step 6. Navigate your dashboard. Once logged in, you can navigate through your dashboard easily. Here, you can manage your affiliate links, track your earnings, and find promotional materials. Step 7. Log out when finished. Remember to log out of your account when you're done, especially if you are using a shared computer. Simply click on your profile picture or name at the top right corner of the dashboard and select Log Out. That's it. You are now successfully logged into your Rakuten affiliate dashboard and ready to start managing your affiliate partnerships. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Thank you for watching and happy affiliating.